Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to like any post on your account on Bluesky easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the Bluesky. Then as you see here, you are on the discover page. So you can, for example, this post right here, just you will find this heart icon. Just click on it and that's it. That's how to like any post. If you want to unlike it, just click on it again, and that's it. Any post you can like this one. So that's it. That's how to like any posts on your account on Bluesky easy and quickly. Oh, that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and that's it. See you in the next video.